Which park is underground? Much of Carlsbad Caverns National Park in New Mexico is underground. Carlsbad is one of the biggest series of caves in the world. Inside the caves are beautiful rock formations. In some places, the walls of the caves look like curtains. In other places, long, thin stalactites hang from the ceiling, and stalagmites rise from the floor. Carlsbad is also famous for the Mexican free-tailed bats that live in the caves in the summer. Each night during the summer, visitors can watch over 1 million bats leave their caves to hunt for food. Bats flying out of the caves for their nightly hunting. Carlsbad Caverns National Park. Stalactite, stalagmite. What other landscapes can be found in our national parks? Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona is one of the biggest canyons in the world. It was carved by the moving water of the Colorado River. It is huge, colorful, and unlike any other place on Earth. Sequoia National Park in California is a forest that has some of the biggest, oldest trees in the world. The General Sherman tree is about 275 feet tall, with a 36-foot wide trunk. It may be as old as 4,000 years. The Grand Canyon from space. Sequoia National Park. The General Sherman tree is one of the biggest living things in the world. Which park is full of swamps? Crater Lake National Park in Oregon is a huge lake at the top of a mountain. The lake sits in the crater of an inactive volcano, and cliffs rise high above it. Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona is beautiful, but it looks more like a desert than a forest. A petrified forest is a forest of trees from long ago that have turned into stone. There are no living trees in a petrified forest. In southern Florida, Everglades National Park is full of swamps, grassy rivers, jungle islands, and rare birds. A swamp in Everglades National Park. Crater Lake National Park. What kinds of animals are in our national parks? National parks are full of animals. Sea lions and elephant seals inhabit Channel Islands National Park in Southern California. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park has many kinds of birds that are only found in Hawaii. Some parks are great places to see the fossils of extinct animals. Dinosaur National Monument in Utah and Colorado has lots of dinosaur bones. National Park Trivia. What is the only place in the world where alligators and crocodiles live together? Channel Islands National Park. Which park would you like to visit? Every year, millions of people visit national parks. Every park is different, so each offers different activities. Canoeing is popular in the grassy waters of the Everglades. Spelunking, or cave exploring, is popular in Carlsbad Caverns. Serious rock climbers go to Yosemite National Park in California. In some of the Alaskan national parks, people climb glaciers or travel with dog sleds. Almost all of the national parks are great for hiking, climbing, and taking pictures. Whether you want to climb the highest mountain in North America, swim near a coral reef, or just sit and look at pretty scenery, there is definitely a national park for you. Glossary. Ecosystems. Communities of living things and their environments. Extinct. No longer existing. Geysers. Cracks in the earth where hot water and steam spray upward. Glaciers. Huge masses of ice that move slowly. Inhabit. Live in. Spelunking. Exploring caves. Stalactites. Rock-like structures that hang from the roof of a cave. They look like icicles. Stalagmites. Rock-like structures that form on the floor of a cave. They look like upside-down icicles. Index. Animals. Pages 4, 8